the topic of our today's discussion is Internet plus shortcut keys. So, which of the following language is used to write animation and games in browser? Java is a language that is used for in order to write animation and games in browser. And what is Java? Java is a set of computer software and its specification developed by James Gosling of Sun Microsystem, which was later acquired by the Oracle Corporation. So the correct option for MCQ number 1 is A, Java. The web pages are linked using. Anji. We can use hyperlinks in order to link different web pages. And in computing, a hyperlink or simply a link is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping a particular link. So the web pages are linked together by using a hyperlink. That is D for MCQ number 2. Which of the following symbol must be used in email address? Which of the following symbol is necessary in order to produce in order to write an email or email address? So whatsoever the email address is, you should add the symbol of @ in order to write an email. So it is the necessary component of an email address. So the correct option for MCQ number 3 is D, @. Which of the following is not a networking terminology? So spreadsheet, gateways, router, and bridge. All of these are included in networking terminology, but spreadsheet is not one of the part. Is not included in network terminology. And what is spreadsheets are? Spreadsheets is a computer application for organizing, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. So the correct option for MCQ number 4 is B, spreadsheet. Which one of the following is the first network that was invented? So the first network that was invented is it is ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Was the wide area packet switch network with distributed control. It is the first network to implement the TCP/IP protocol suite. So the correct option for MCQ number 5 is D, ARPANET, या फिर ARPANET. LAN stands for large area network. The networks that is spread over a large area are known as large area network or LAN. So the correct option for MCQ number 6 is B, large area network. Network connecting several networks is known as internet, or the net that is that is actually connecting all the networks under its shadow is known as internet. That is the option number A for MCQ number 7. Okay, so IPv6 address have a size of IP addressing are of two types, IPv6 and IPv4. So when we talk about IPv6 addressing system, it has a size of 128 bits. That is option number C for MCQ number 8. What is the term for unsolicited emails? Unsolicited emails are actually the emails. Unsolicited bulk email is the formal name for spam or junk email that are sent to users who haven't opted in to receive them. So the unsolicited email, the term that could be possibly used for unsolicited email is spam. B for MCQ number 9. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. That is option number C for MCQ number 10. Which term identifies specific computer on web and main page on the entire site? So particular uniform resource locator is actually used to identify specific computer on web and main pages on the entire site. That is option number A for MCQ number 11. LAN speed is measured in. The speed of the local area network is actually measured in bytes per second. That is BPS for MCQ number 12, option number A, BPS. There are some keys that combination of functional keys that could be used in order to perform certain tasks in our computer. So certain combination of keys are used to perform a particular task. So the question here is, which key is used to undo the last action? Which combination of key is actually used to undo the last action? Control plus C is actually the key that is possibly used in order to undo the last performed action. That is option number D for MCQ number 13. Which keys are used to save the file? We have created, after creating a file in PowerPoint or in Word or in spreadsheet or Excel, if we want to save our file, which key should be used in order to save a particular file. So we can, in order to save a particular file, we can use the combination of keys, that is Control plus S, in order to save a particular file. So MCQ option number A, option A is correct for MCQ number 14. Which one of the following is used to print a document? Okay, so we have created a document and we want to take a print out of that document. Which key should be used in order to take a print out of that document? We can use the combination of Control plus P in order to print a particular document. That is option number A for Control plus P. Which key is used to paste? Hanji. Which key should be used in order to paste a particular document? So we can use Control plus V in order to paste a particular copy in particular paragraph or particular word that is copied. If you want to paste that word or if you want to paste that paragraph, which key should be used? We can use Control plus V in order to paste the word or paste the text that we have copied earlier. So the correct option for MCQ number 16 is B, Control plus V. Actually, which the key that is used to update an active window? Anji, we have an active window and we actually want to update that activated window. Which key should we actually use in order to update that window? So the key that can be used in order to update that window is F5. So that is option number B for MCQ number 17. Control plus W is used to, Anji. These combination of key can be possibly used to perform which task? We can use these combination of keys Control plus W in order to open a new window while browsing on different browsers. If you want to open a new window in the browser, we should be using the combination of keys that is Control plus W. So the correct option for MCQ number 18 is C, open a new window. Hanji. Dash is used to display the current selection if it is collapsed. Hanji. Right arrow is used to display the current selection if it is collapsed. Okay? That is option number B for MCQ number 19. Which functional key is used for opening help? If you want to use help that is available in our PCs, which key should be should we need to use particularly? So in order to ask for help, in order to get help for a particular function, we should be using F1 keys that is located on your keyboard. That is option number A, F1 for MCQ number 20.